we're here at Habor Crossing in Bay Minette, Alabama. This community is pet friendly and features some amazing amenities such as a playground and a picnic area. Today we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. Let's go take a look. The spacious living room features beautiful plank flooring and an open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. Just off the main living area, you'll find a coat closet, a convenient half bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and a laundry room with washer and dryer connections. Upstairs, there's a linen closet, a full bathroom, and 2 spacious bedrooms. Outside, residents enjoy amenities such as a playground and a picnic area. Click the link below to book your tour today.